Hey traders, welcome back to Hemanth FX. In this video, I'm breaking down a EURUSD buy trade that delivered a clean 2 hour, step by step, from higher time frame bias to the execution and risk management. Let's get into the charts. So, starting with first, let's start with bigger picture, higher time frames. If you haven't watched my weekly analysis video yet, we have discussed all this plan in the weekly analysis that we will be looking for longs from these daily bullish fair value gaps. So yesterday, day before, I've just waited for price to come into this area, just playing my weekly analysis. That's it. So now on the higher time frame, EURUSD has tapped into this clear daily time frame fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, from where we were looking for longs. We have planned out longs from this weekly analysis video. So once price tapped that, I know this is a strong displacement zone and it aligned with our plan. At this stage, I'm not buying yet. I'm only interested in longs, but demand alone is not the reason to enter. I need confirmations, right? So I went into lower time frame, basically 5 minutes. I went into 5 minutes. Once price tapped the daily bullish fair value gap, I went into 5 minutes and waited for a structure break. That in this case, that structure break came with an SMT, so it is an added confluence for me. So break of structure happened here. Again, I will only consider a close as my break of structure, not this. If I would have considered this, yes, I would have got a much better risk to reward ratio, or I would have closed this trade much earlier than what happened now. But at times, many times, this is a very early entry. This will be a very early entry, and most of the time there are chances to lose. So I better wait for a confirmation entry. Better for me to wait for a confirmation entry rather than jumping in a trade like chasing it. So that's the reason I waited for a close here. Although I haven't got any FVG here, if you don't know, I only entered through fair value gap, so there was no fair value gap there. So I waited for another break of structure here and a fair value gap. To be honest, there are more fair value gaps here, like three fair value gaps. In this case, I prefer to choose the latest fair value gap, so because I won't be missing the trade. Yes, risk to reward ratio will be a bit huge on this side, but I won't be missing the trade. See, I'm least bothered about risk to reward ratio here because I always book a 2 hour, number one. Number two, I'm longing. Where am I longing? I'm longing at a daily bullish fair value gap. That meaning I am expecting a local bottom to print here. So I am expecting price to go higher than this, than my 2 hour. So it is sufficient enough for me to get a 2 hour. So it doesn't bother me the risk to reward ratio that much. So I've entered over here at this fair value gap, stop loss below this swing low, and I have targeted 2 hour. So risk to reward ratio was just 1:2, nothing fancy, just normal 1:2 hour, like how I do it in every trade. So that's it, guys. It took a lot of time, to be really honest. So my entry was at around 2:10. I mean, this is Indian Standard Time, and my exit is around 8 o'clock. So more than 6-7 hours I'm in this trade. I strongly believe this. After entry, there was no need to interference. There was no need to interfere. This is where patience matter. So no early exits, no moving stop loss emotionally, no over management, nothing, no break even stop loss. Once my risk is defined, my job is to let the trade play out. That's it. Let the chart run. That's it. So price respected my demand perfectly and delivered the move as planned. See, this is not by luck, or this is not by any other factor. this is very well planned from the last Sunday. We have planned the exact thing to happen in our weekly analysis, and I'm just executing now according to that plan itself. So that's it, guys. Sorry. So I think that's it for this video. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video and comment below if you want more live trade breakdowns like this. Subscribe for weekly outlooks and midweek updates. Trade safe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. See you. Bye bye.